Welcome to this Python programming series. This course will provide you with everything you need to know. My name is Farhan Hussain and I will be leading you through this course. I have experience in creating over 1,500 video tutorials in a wide array of subject areas from game development to web development. I have personally created the videos from Sonar Systems for the past 4 years, which is the world leader in providing online education. I also run an online education platform and teach programming at a university. I am also a two-time published author of programming books and have over 150,000 students enrolled on my courses on Udemy alone. This course was created for anyone interested in learning more about Python, Python GUI, and Python network programming and its implementations. It's also great for anybody looking to refresh their Python and programming skills in general. The ideal student for this course is anyone with a passion for learning more about the increasingly large Python programming market and its plethora of applications. Feel free to take a look through the course description and ask any questions you may have before enrolling, and I look forward to seeing you inside.